Come test drive the 2015 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, voice-activated navigation system, trip computer, heated steering wheel, fog lights, compass, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.